Big up all of Ola, but we're there here. Who are we talking to?
J. Dean.
J. Dean. Gentlemen, we're going to show you J. Dean. J. Dean. J. Dean, what going on? How you learn about us?
My best friend Elena.
Your best friend Elena. Big up yourself, Elena.
Yes.
Elena, we're big customer, you know.
Yes, big up yourself.
Yeah, even though I one time never delivered to her, you know. Our grandfather always have to pick it up. But pick up yourself, Elena. So what going on? You like it so far? This is your first time, right?
Yes, my friend.
Your first time, and you like it?
Yes.
You pick up your package a while ago, heavy.
Heavy.
You heavy. You never pay no whole heap of money for it.
No, I don't want no money.
And a whole heap of money.
No.
Right. You did use your coupon?
Yes, a coupon.
Alright,
Yes.
get your coupon.
Get the coupon.
And you don't have to do nothing for the coupon, right?
No.
Good. You don't have to pay no money.
No.
You know, alright.
Coupon.
Free coupon.
Yes.
That's how we do it.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much. Gentlemen, I don't know what going on now. I got tag her in this. Alright, thank you so much here.